Hello students, welcome to Google online classes. In the last class, we have discussed about reproduction rate and the problems based on the reproduction rates. In this class, we shall discuss the life table. Life table. Here, table is nothing but what? The tabular representation. Table is nothing but tabular representation. What is that life table? Here, life table is nothing but the tabular representation of numerical data. The tabular representation of numerical data describing the mortality experience of a cohort is called as life table. Definition: it is a tabular representation of numerical data describing the mortality experience of a cohort. It is a tabular representation of numerical data describing the mortality experience of a cohort is called as life table. Or the life table gives the life history of a cohort. The life table gives, another one definition, life table gives life history of a cohort. Life history of a cohort. It gives the life history of a cohort. Here the different life tables can be constructed for different communities. Okay. Here, what is a cohort? The term cohort. What is a cohort? The group of persons who are born at the same time. The group of persons who are born at the same time and who experiences the same mortality condition. The group of persons who are born at the same time. The group of persons who are born at the same time and who experiences the same mortality conditions. The group of persons who are born at the same time and who experiences the same mortality condition. Is called a cohort. The group of persons who are born at the same time birth ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ and same time death ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, for example, ಒಂದು group 10 ಜನ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, same date born ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ cohort. The group of persons who are born at the same time and who experiences the same mortality condition is called as a cohort. Okay, here what is life table? It is a tabular representation of numerical data. It is a tabular representation of numerical data describing the mortality experience of a cohort. Describing the mortality experience of a cohort is called as life table. Here you have to prepare a table for cohort. Here's an okay for the age group 0 to 5. Okay, date just ಯಾವಾಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅದರಿಂದ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಶೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ದ mortality experience of a cohort is called as a life table, or it gives the life table gives the life history of a cohort. The study of life history of a cohort is said to be life table. Okay, what is a cohort? A group of persons who are born at the same time and who experience the same mortality condition is called as a cohort. Okay, the next definition of radix. Radix. What is the radix? The size of the cohort is called. The size of the cohort is called radix. The size of the cohort, generally radix is 1 lakh. Size of the cohort is called as radix. The general size is radix size is 1 lakh. The size of the cohort is called as radix. The next definition of longevity. Definition of longevity: the expected number of years. The expected number of years. The expected number of years that a newborn baby. That a newborn baby would be live. That a newborn baby would be live. The expected number of years that a newborn baby would be live is called as longevity. It is said to be longevity. The expected number of years that a newborn baby would be live. Expectation ಮಗು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 90 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 80 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಗು 70 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is said to be longevity. The expected number of years that a newborn baby will be live is called as longevity. Okay, these are the different definitions involved in the life table. Okay, the next concept is uses of life table. Uses of life table. What are the uses of life table? Or write any two uses of life table. It is a 2 marks question, very important. Uses of life table. The first one is, it is used to estimate the future population. It is used to estimate the future population changes. First one is, it is used to estimate the future population changes. Second merit, it is used in government and private organizations in planning healthcare, retirement age and education. Here it is using government and private organizations in planning healthcare, retirement age and education. Third use, it is used by life insurance companies to determine the rate of premiums for policies of population of different ages It is used by life insurance companies. To determine to find out the rate of premiums for policies of population of different ages. The next fourth one, life table gives life expectancy at different ages. It gives life expectancy at different ages. That is longevity, the expected number of years that a newborn baby will be alive. Okay, here for example it gives the life expectancy at different ages. Okay, here 0 to 10. Okay, expectation 80 years. Okay, next 20 to 30 expectation 90 years. 30 to 40 expectation is 55 years. That is it gives the life expectancy at different ages. Okay, these are the uses of life table. Once again, the first use is it is used to estimate the future population. Okay, it is used for estimate the future population changes. Second one, it is used in government and private organizations. The life tables is used in government and private organizations in planning, healthcare, retirement age, and education policies. The next third one is it is used by life insurance companies to determine the rate of premiums for policies of population of different ages. Okay, life insurance companies to determine the rate of premiums for policies of population of different ages. For example, here 1 year, here year is 1, here premium is 1000. The next age different, second age is 2, the premium is 1100. Third year it is 1200 up to so on. Here you have to calculate the rate of premiums for policies at different ages. The last use is it gives life expectancy at different ages. These are the uses of life table. It is a very important, right? Any two uses of life table. Okay. Next, the last point, that is components of life table. Components of life table. Components of life table. There are totally 8 components are there. The first component is X. What is X? Capital X. The first component is capital X. What it indicates? Here X is a number of age groups at age X. The number of ages. The number of ages at age X. At age X. Here X takes the values 0, 1 up to so on. Here X takes the values 0, 1 up to so on. Here X is equal to number of ages at the age X. Second, LX. Second one is small LX. The number of persons living at age X. LX means what? The number of persons. The number of persons living at is X. The number of persons living at age X. The next third one, small dx. The number of persons who died in the age group, x to x plus 1. Who died in the age group x to x plus 1. The number of persons who died in the age group x to x plus 1. Here for example x is 0 and x plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 up to so on. Here x is 0 and x plus 1 up to so on 10. Then the number of persons who died in the age group 0 to 10 is 110. Next 20 to 20, 10 to 20, that is 100. 20 to 30, that is 90. Here the number of persons who died in the age group x to x plus 1 dx. Then dx can be calculated as lx minus lx plus 1. Therefore dx equal to lx minus lx plus 1. Dx equal to lx minus lx plus 1. The next fourth one, qx is mortality ratio. Qx is a mortality ratio. Okay. What is the mortality ratio? The probability that a person age x does not survive till the age x plus 1. The probability that a person age x. The probability that a person age x does not survive till the age x2 does not survive till the age x plus 1 is a mortality ratio. What is a mortality ratio? Define mortality ratio. The probability that a person age x does not survive till the age x plus 1. Okay, what year x plus 1 90 years ವರೆಗೆ ಬದುಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ mortality ratio ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The probability of a person age x does not survive till the age x plus 1 is called as mortality ratio. It is divided by qx. Then qx equal to dx by lx. Qx equal to dx by lx. Okay, the next one, fifth component is px. For px is nothing but survival ratio. It is okay. The probability that a person age x survive till age x plus 1. The probability that a person age x survive till the age x plus 1. Okay, it can be calculated as px equal to 1 minus qx. Actually, the total probability is 1. That is p plus q equal to 1. Then p equal to 1 minus q. That is px equal to 1 minus qx, where x indicates age. In sixth one, lx, the number of years lived by person at age x to x plus 1. At age x to x plus 1. Number of years lived by persons at age x to x plus 1. Then it can be calculated as lx equal to lx plus 1 divided by 2. Lx equal to lx plus 1 divided by 2. And seventh one is tx. Here the total number of years lived by persons at age x to x plus 1. Total number of years lived by persons at age x to x plus 1 belonging to the cohort, that is tx equal to the total number of years lived by the person, that is tx equal to lx plus lx plus 1 plus lx plus 2 up to so on, tx equal to lx plus lx plus 1 plus lx plus 2 up to so on. That is the total number of years lived by the person at the age x to x plus 1. And last component is ex, that is expectation. Ex is a expectation at the age x, at the of age x, expectation of age x. It can be calculated as ex equal to tx by lx. Ex equal to tx by lx. Where tx is what? Total number of years lived by the persons divided by number of persons living at age x. Then we get the ex value. Ex equal to tx by lx. Okay. These are the components of life table. There are totally 8 components are there. First component is x, that is x indicates the age group, that is the number of ages at age x, that is x value 0 to 0 1 up to so on. And second one is small x, the number of persons living at age x, the number of person living at age x. Initially the lx value is 1 lakh. And third one is small dx, the number of persons who die in the age group x to x plus 1. Then it can be calculated as dx equal to lx minus lx plus 1. And qx, that is qx is a mortality ratio. What is the mortality ratio? The probability that a person age x does not survive till the age x plus 1 is called as mortality ratio. That is qx equal to dx by lx. And fifth one is px, that is a survival ratio. Opposite, the probability that a person age x will survive till the age x to x plus 1 is called as survival ratio, that is px equal to minus qx. And capital Lx is number of years lived by the persons at age x to x plus 1 belonging to the cohort, that is Lx equal to Lx plus Lx plus 1 divided by 2. Tx is total number of years lived by the person, that is Tx equal to Lx plus 1 up to so on. Ex is the expectation, that is Ex equal to capital Tx by small lx. Okay, these are the components of life tables. Okay, next we shall discuss the problems based on life table. Problem number 28. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400, and L2 is 93,492, then find survival ratio. Find survival ratio and mortality ratio. For the mortality ratio of the first year. Of the first year means that x is 1. X value is 1. Okay, here we are given L1 and L2 values. Find survival ratio and mortality ratio for the first year. Solution. Here survival ratio is denoted by Qx and mortality ratio is denoted by Px. So survival ratio is Px and mortality ratio is Qx. Here what is the mortality ratio? The probability that a person age x does not survive till the age x to x plus 1, that is Qx equal to dx by lx. It is the formula. Qx is dx by lx. We want dx value, then how to calculate dx value? Here for the first year means you have to find d1 value. X is 1, d1 equal to, actually dx equal to what? Lx minus Lx plus 1. Dx value is formula is dx equal to Lx minus Lx plus 1. Put x equal to 1. D1 equal to L1 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. L2. Then D1 equal to L1 minus L2. That is 95,400 minus 93,492. Then we get 95,400 minus 93,492. Then we get the 1908. 1908 is the given value. Okay. Next, we have to substitute the values. That is Q1. That is a mortality ratio for the first year. Q1 equal to dx. X is 1. D1 by x is 1. That is D1 by L1. Then substitute the values. D1 value is 1908 divided by L1 value is 95,400. Then we get 0.02. Here Q1 equal to 0.02. It is the mortality ratio. Then find survival ratio. That is Px equal to survival ratio is Px equal to 1 minus Qx. Here x is what? 1 of the first year. That is P1 equal to 1 minus Q1. 1 minus Q1 value is what? 0.02. Then we get 0.98 is the P1 value. That is survival ratio value is 0.98. Just got it. Okay. The next 29th problem. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400, in a life table, if L1 is 95,400, T1 equal to 61 lakhs 5,600. Then find expectation of life in the first year. You have to find Ex value for the first year. That is E1 value. You have to find E1 value. Expectation is divided by E. That is for the first year means you have to find E1 value. You have to find next solution. Apply formula. That is Ex formula is what? Ex equal to Tx by Lx. Put x equal to 1. E1 equal to T1 by L1. T1 value is what? 61 lakh 5,600 divided by L1 value is 95,400. Then we get 61 lakh 5,600 divided by 95,400. Then we get 64. Then we get 64. It is the E1 value is 64. Expectation is 64. Okay. Next, write on the assignment questions based on reproduction rate and life table. First question. Define GRR. Define GRR. Second one, define NRR. Define NRR. Next question, what is the life table? What is the life table? Fourth question, define longevity. Define longevity. Fifth one is define cohort. Define cohort. Sixth one, define radix. Define radix. Seventh one, what is the mortality ratio? What is the mortality ratio. Here mortality and mortality ratio both are different. Mortality means the deaths occurring in the human population is said to be mortality. Then mortality ratio is the probability that a person age X does not survive till the age X plus 1. So next, what is the survival ratio? What is the survival ratio? Next, ninth one. What are the components of life table? What are the components of life table? What are the components of life table? And 10th question is, what are the uses of life table? What are the uses of life table? These are assignment questions. First, define GRR, define NRR. What is life table? Define longevity, define cohort, define radix. What is the mortality ratio? What is the survival ratio? What are the components of life table? What are the uses of life table? Okay. Now ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅವೇನದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಯುವರ್ syllabus first chapter, that is virus statistics. In the next class I am going to start a new chapter, that is time series. Okay, thank you.